Fouad, Shabib.
It's amazing how far some people will go
I grew up in Lebanon.
to accomplish their dream.
Then I studied in Beirut for my medical studies.
Dr. Fouad Shabib
I'm a physician-scientist.
chased his dream across the world, from Lebanon to Mayo Clinic in Rochester, Minnesota, for one reason.
I have a very passionate and interest in polycystic kidney disease. So what happens is the patients who have this genetic defect or mutation will start forming kidney cysts. Those are fluid-filled sacs in the kidney. So as they're growing, the kidney starts to fill with fluids and kind of grow and grow. They have multiple cysts, and that damages the kidney, leading to kidney failure.
It's a devastating diagnosis.
So far, there has been no cure.
But for the first time, there's hope for patients with polycystic kidney disease.
It blocks the thirst hormone called vasopressin.
It's a breakthrough drug.
The cyst doesn't grow as fast.
And Fouad was one of the researchers on the Mayo Clinic team that helped develop it.
Someone called me when the FDA approved the medication. I was giving a talk at the time. And then right after that, I called my father.
Behind every big dream, there's always an inspiration.
He was on dialysis for several years.
His father has polycystic kidney disease.
That impression of me seeing him sick inspired me to make sure that no one else would go through that.
A dream was born, and then likely saved, along with his father, who received a kidney transplant, something quite rare in Lebanon at that time.
Without that kidney transplant, probably I wouldn't be a physician. I wouldn't be in the United States. I would be doing something different. And just to be blunt, he probably wouldn't be here without that.
With his father's health restored, Fouad didn't have to worry about providing for his family. He was able to focus on his medical education and coming to the United States.
It was easier to get to Harvard than to Mayo Clinic initially.
But eventually, he did make it here to Mayo Clinic. And today, he heads to the Minneapolis-Saint Paul International Airport to pick his parents up. They're visiting from Lebanon.
Kind of excited.
It's the first time he will see them since the FDA approved the drug he helped develop.
Yes.
It's also the first time they're meeting their grandson, John Paul.
Hi. Alhamdulillah, welcome back. كيفك؟ تمام.
Habibi means my love.
حبيبي I love you.
هذا جده. هذا يلا بابا يلا.
Those tears,
دموع فرحة.
the same in every language.
Tears of joy and excitement.
3 generations who almost never met.
It's a proud moment.
A doctor inspired by his father, now inspired by his son.
By making sure we find cures for this genetic disease is very important to me.
It's amazing how far some people will go, and perhaps just as amazing, how worth it is.
It's a proud moment. What's wrong, baby?
For the Mayo Clinic News Network, I'm Ian Roth.